Alright guys, we're here, we're doing a maintenance.
System is from 2015, so 10 years old. Reading 4.76. This one's reading 38 out of 40. We're good. 20 ohms, we're good, baby. Come on, brother bear.
Alright guys, just finished up with this tune-up. Everything looks good. Sometimes it's like that 10-year-old system, no repairs needed.